Is it because the premium on these put options are priced so low?
The stock's been bullish for so many years that people aren't assigning a very high probability to a sell-off. And just to be clear, we aren't necessarily calling for a big sell-off in the stock, but if one were to occur, these puts will have a significant amount of value.
So what is the distribution of your call? I mean, because you're also saying go long with some shares.
That's right. So we would do this on what we call a theoretical delta. It means when you buy the put, we're recommending to buy the March 2019 25% out of the money puts, which have what we call a 10 delta. And that means you buy about 10% of the stock when you buy the put. And the effect of that, Steve, is that were the stock to rally a lot, you're actually going to obviously lose the money on your premium, but you're going to make quite a bit of money on the stock that you're long. So this bet really allows you to make money in extreme moves either way. If it's down a lot or down or up a lot, you'll actually make quite a lot on this trade.
Would you consider your call here a bit of a contrarian view, because a lot of the put option premiums are so low? Because look at the consensus ratings on this stock. More than $500 is the consensus rating. We have one Morningstar calling for $641 over the next 12 months. It's a $399 stock right now.
That's right.
So the bets, even from the big institutional banks, is continued rise.
That's exactly my point. The dominant view is that the stock can only go up. So if it were to go down, it's really going to catch people by surprise. And I think one of the things that I talk about in the presentation is just from a market cap point of view, the company already has a $500 billion market cap. It's an amazing company, no question about it. But the market knows that, investors know that, analysts know that. So were the stock to hit some of those targets that people have, up 30%, it would be bigger than Google, world's 5th largest stock. Up 85%, it'll be bigger than Apple, almost world's first $1 trillion stock. Can that happen? For sure, but it's just not that probable in the next 6 to 12 months in my view.